kwetu kabisa. Dr. Ekla, si ndio? Na Madam Principal make sure amefikiwa.
In 2024, their girls, our guest of honor,
tena mazuri sana. Asanteni sana sana sana. Kwa heshima. Asante sana. Nyinyi wengine pokea huyu msichana. This is our people.
Education, our guest of honor, through the Kenya Kwanza government.
Prime Cabinet Secretary, His Excellency Musalia Mudavadi.
Jamaa huwa hatoi tai. Huwa ana compete na mimi sana kwa sura. Amepatiwa. Tusha, si ni vizuri kuanza na yule aliyefanya vyema kabisa. Bwana Joroge, tukipewa huo wimbo, utuletee huyu mwanafunzi. Bwana Joroge, usinikanyangie microphone tena. Geshimo Cynthia, uko wapi? Geshimo Cynthia. Wewe weka wimbo yoyote ile, hata kama ni anguka nayo ama simama nayo. Wacha nikwambie sasa, umewekewa limit. Jaribu. Wazazi. Tupige makofi.
To our county governor, Her Excellency Madam ANDU. I was also sent with greetings by Honorable Gitari, your area. Because most of these femicide cases are resulting from intimate relationships. Sometimes a wife and a husband, sometimes a girlfriend and a boyfriend, those kind of relationships. But what we are saying is that people must learn how to accept no's. Let's continuously speak to our girls so that they can also learn how to have confidence in themselves. They can speak out because their voices matter. We need to bring up girls who are confident, girls who are courageous, girls who can say a big no and a no that can be listened to. Further, let us take care of our young girls, the daughters that we have at home. I don't want you to trust that uncle of that child. I don't want you to trust that brother of yours. I don't want to trust your neighbor with your baby girl. Please take care of your children. You must always know where your children are. Please, we are living in very tough times. Recently, I visited Makueni, and surprisingly, for a period of 8 months, we had 643 SGBV cases, rape cases basically. And out of those cases, 59 of them were between ages 0 to 9 years. What are we saying here? So as parents, let's take care of our children. This is not a battle that the government can fight alone. This is a societal problem. Let us all come together, the church, the parents, the schools, administrations, ourselves, because security begins with you, the government, development partners, everybody. Let's fight this battle together. For our girls, make sure that you don't find yourselves in unsafe situations. Ensure that you always keep yourself safe, because security begins with you.
As we stand here, the stench is still really very strong. And I can tell you for a fact, there are risks to this. When we talk about poor solid waste management, not just in towns, but also in our homes, which can lead to a range of public health issues, including increased rates of waterborne diseases like cholera and typhoid. We risk that right now, even here. When we talk about respiratory diseases, the stench that you can inhale right now, or the stench that has been there in the last 2 days, it qualifies to actually lead to illnesses due to air pollution from the waste. Also, skin infection. You do not know whoever passed through here, touched what, and then went and ate food, probably touched another person and got sick skin infection.
So they blocked all our gates. There were garbage trucks. Another one was blocking that exit there, and all around the building. So you can imagine a garbage truck is here. and this is a restaurant.
So whether intentional or unintentional, it must be even your support. It was too much. So we were just getting orders from outside. We cook for them, we deliver. But people coming inside here, that must never happen again.
No.
We are not coming to investigate you because you had no problem. We are just coming to at least to see whether it is really clear that the things are not there. Also, break on the end.
So you can still feel it now. This is after they have left. You can imagine how it moves.
Video.
The incident was really most unfortunate. I think one of the things that each institution should uphold is the rule of law. And I think in the entire transaction of or challenges that we have had or differences in terms of collecting the bills that have been overdue for a very long time, Kenya Power and Lighting has always upheld the rule of law. We have used all legal mechanisms, and we never sunk to the point of using means that can actually be or can pose serious harm to the public. I think we really care about the public, and we really care about all our customers. And at every point in time, we can never undertake an action that jeopardizes their health or jeopardizes them in any.
The restaurant down here, they literally had to close because of the same. That is wasted opportunity. Really, government agencies must know how to resolve their own issues without bringing them out in the public. And especially when issues have to deal with public health risk and concerns. We must know how to narrow down to issues and not bring them to the public. Anybody who passed through here got either infected or affected. It would be important that the county government, the director, the public health, director, to make sure that they come and clean up because the stench is still here. Anybody who passed through here got either infected or affected. It would be important that the county government, the director, the public health director, to make sure that they come and clean up because the stench is still here. Come and clean up, ensure that this place is sparkling clean. Equally, I would call upon the IG, please bring the culprits to book. Do thorough investigations because this is criminal, and ensure the culprits are brought to book. NEMA, it is important that you enforce the laws as per your act. ensure they are followed and ensure everything is left to book.